Welcome to Binary. So this is the part 2 of JavaScript tutorials. In the last video, we had seen a very basic introduction to JavaScript and we had learned to code it on the web as well. So what did we learn? Well, we learned just to add any two numbers and display it on the web. Okay, so let me just recall you. We used two variables a and b and we had initialized a with 1 and b with 2. After that, we called the add function and we passed on the two parameters a and b. In the function add, we just displayed the result of the addition. So a plus b. Now today we will go more and see how do you use various elements on the web and interact with them using JavaScript. Okay, but before that, let me show you one thing. Well, in JavaScript, you don't have any string, int or float. You have only one single keyword and that is the var. That stands for a variable. So var c equals hello. And if I print c, let me show you, it's hello. So var stands for anything here. You can store a string, an integer or a float inside any variable here. If you want, you can even store a floating point value. If I do it d, it's 7.6. Yeah, you get it right. Now let me show you how to use arrays in JavaScript, because these are the basic things that you require while coding. So in array, you write it 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so that's an array created. If you want, you can create any kind of an integer array, a string array, a floating array, anything. Now if you want to iterate through that array, all you have to do is arr.forEach, and then you write any function name. Let me call it eat. Okay, yeah, I know that function is. Now you define the function eat, and in the parameters part you have to pass the values. So what does this value contain? It contains each element in it. Yeah, okay, so values you can write, and after that all you got to do is document.write. Remember, document.write is just printing it on the web browser, and you write values, and that's it. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. There is no space because I had not provided any space. Okay, now let us understand what else we can do using JavaScript. Why is it like made for the web? Well, you can see. Suppose you have a button. Okay, and let me just design the button a bit. So the button contains click me. As you can see, there is a button and it contains click me. Let me just remove all the other text that is being displayed here. So only button. Yeah, okay, fine. Now imagine you have a paragraph in it. You don't have to imagine, I am coding it. Okay, and it contains hi. So you can see it contains hi and a click me button in it. Right, now let us make a change in it and make it more interactive. Okay, so this button, it has got an event in it, and that event is OnClick. What does an OnClick do? When you click the button, the OnClick function will be activated and it will contain a function in it, and that function will be called. So let us define the button has an ID b1, and on click, what does it do? It goes to a function. Okay, so on click equals within code scope. This means that whenever you click the button, this button, it will go to, or it will call the function go, and we have to define the function inside the script tag. Okay, let us also define an ID for our paragraph and name it para. Okay, fine. Now let us define the go function. Okay, so it will contain the body here. Okay, fine. Now what will the go function do? Well, it will change the value of this paragraph from hi to hello. So all you got to do is write this single line of code. Document dot get element by id, and which element do you want to fetch? Yes, this one, because you have to change the paragraph. So para, yeah, dot inner HTML. Now what does this inner HTML mean? Well, it will change the content or the text of the paragraph equals hello. Now if you click the button, what will happen? Let me just show you. On click, it will go to the go function. So this is the go function. Document.get element by id. So it will try to find the id of the element of para, named para, and it will come here. So dot inner HTML equal to hello. So all it does is change this from hi to hello. Let's just add 3 or 2 exclamation marks. Now let us run this. Yeah, see, from hi it changed to hello. So this simple piece of code will help you to design a button that can change the text of a paragraph in it. Okay, so wasn't that cool? Yeah, I know you're enjoying it, right? Okay, so that was all for today. Hope you learn to code more and all, and till then, goodbye.